Hello everyone. Yes, today we are going to unbox the latest smartphone Poco F1. And we all know that in a span of 5 minutes it has done a 200 crore of business. Yes, let's go. Now we'll unbox the phone. Flipkart has delivered within a day. Yes, let's start this. Yes. Yeah. See, let's see the phone. Super. That's Poco by Xiaomi. We all can see that it is made in India. And we have bought a 64 GB version with 6 GB RAM. Let's steer this one. This is the best smartphone at present in the market. Yes. Just let's open this one. Here it is, the Poco F1. You can have a look at the device. A 6.18-inch device with a dual camera setup and with a notch. And you can see the case which is given by the Xiaomi and a quick charging charger and a type C cable in the box. So these are the things in the box and a SIM ejector too. Just have a look at the phone, a 3.5mm jack and keys, volume keys and a lock button, a dual camera setup, the fingerprint down and a single camera, front facing camera with a dual speakers and a sleek design which is 8.8mm thickness. Now let's switch on this device. Poco. It's loading. Now we have to set up this phone first. Yes. Now you have to select the language and your region. Let's select India. Yes. Yeah, you can see it is in slicing. You can select your favorite themes. Yeah, let's go to the phone. Yeah, it's loading. What a great design by Xiaomi. Grey black version it is. Okay, you can see the camera. Yes. Now it started. Let's go to the settings first. Yeah, this device is currently running on Android Oreo 8.1. We have a 64 GB version with 6 GB RAM. Let's check the camera quality now. Yes, Just see the photo. The colors are very vibrant and it looking very cool. Let's see a video. We'll see how many options are there. Yes, it's a slow motion, time lapse. You can record any video in slow motion. You can record a short video also. Let's zoom it. See, now it's go. We'll start portrait mode. We'll click a photo. Yeah, we can see the edges are very clear and very sharp with the vibrant colors. That's really great. Let's see the SIM. Yeah, we can have a dual SIM card setup, which is a hybrid slot. You can insert only 2 SIMs or 1 SIM and 1 memory card. Yeah, so this is the unboxing video, guys. Let's subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more interesting updates. We'll see you all in our next video. Keep in touch with the info stack flow. Thank you, guys.